Hello YouTube, it's me here again, Morris from Morris Mini Motors. Today we have another Saito engine. As usual, Saito very popular with me, but this one is a very tiny discontinued FA-90 R3, very tiny, being converted to gas, running on the magnet ring, sensor bracket, and R6L unit, but this one branded Saito. Only one I had with the correct caps at the moment, but same unit, R6L, as you could see, branded to the back, so being made by the same company. Works fine. So this kit now is available. It comes with the magnet ring, sensor bracket, ignition, but with R6L, and 3 spark plugs, quartering 32. So it would fit this little FA-90 R3 and the 120 R3 as well. So this kit will fit those two engines. Something different on this engine as well is the intake. The intake has been upgraded to one of my intake. This is it. This is another one here I'm working on. Being proven now, tested as well. So this is a direct replacement for your FA-90 and FA-120 R3. Very tiny little engine. And also this kit will fit the very low FG-19. That's the 19 R3. So looks standard, but internally being done different modification. That's the cover that fits into the engine itself. So it's completely different from stock. Makes the engine runs a lot smoother. It feeds the crankcase through these 3 holes with excess fuel, so the bottom end always have good lubrication as well. What else to say about this intake? So it will fit straight on with no modification needed. The good things with this is the lubrication. It will stabilize the temperature on the cylinder heads, because each cylinder, especially 2 bottom cylinder, will not be flooded with fuel with this setup. And that go for the entire range of Saito R3 engines. The very tiny 19, the 33, the 60, the 84 and the 90. All of them suffer from the same fuel flooding on these 2 bottom carbs. But with my modification, it will prevent all that. Engine is running on an APC 14.6. Top RPM, brand new engine, is running at a 75, idles between 12 and 1000 RPM. Very reliable. Still running the standard carb, as you can see there. Fuel tank is quite far away, but it's still sucking the fuel, so I'm not gonna replumb that, bring it closer. It's totally fine. It's a customer engine, drop it off. I did the timing setup on it. I did the change of the intake, fit the original car back on, tune it up, and very happy. So give it a run up, enough of the talking. Regular stuff, 6.6 Morris Mini Motors own brand, live batteries, and pretty much that's it. Let's give it a run up and see what we get from it. Look at that, one clip. That's what I like. Saito, nothing could beat a Saito when it's set up correctly. This intake helps prevent the flood of the bottom cylinders, so that everything is running more efficiency inside the engine. The holes in the back would drain any excess of fuel or oil build up in the crankcase, so you're not suffering from the stabilizing of RPM, especially on the low end. When it comes back to idle, any excess of fuel gets dropped in there, will have to be burned out first before the engine is settled down to idle itself. So it's a good upgrade that I recommend for either the glow or the petrol version. And that's why I said I cover the entire range of Saito R3 engines. Nothing wrong with Saito engines, you know, they just need a few upgrades, a few different places. But there we go. So as you can see, engine is very happy. Sturdy vehicle. Running it original go through the RPM range and see, so you can see how smooth the engine transition keeps the RPM steady. That's 2000, and it happily stays at 2000 there. I'm gonna go 3000. Just put it back on, give it another quick start up. On. To keep the idle down, as you can see there. Sorry for the noise next door. During the take-up and that's it. Okay, I think the car wash is overpowering the noise from the little engine. So as you can see, very good condition. The constant RPM holding. As you can see, the RPM is increasing as well. I'm seeing 77 on the top end. As well, if you guys are curious about what's going on with these intakes, you can get in touch with me. They're ready, available, ready to ship. So just get in touch. There'll be a link in the description to my website, and I will take you to this intake for this size intake. So the FA-90, and the FA-120 and the FG-90. So stay tuned for more great videos to come. Cheers, bye.